Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making this amazing one-pot dish, Chicken Scarpariello. It has tons of flavor and a perfect weeknight meal to serve to your family. So let's get cooking.
Here we have our boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and after patting them dry, we'll generously season the top for now with ground sea salt, freshly ground mixed peppercorns, and mild paprika. We'll set them aside and move on to the stove. In a cold oven-proof skillet, we'll add a little bit of olive oil and then place our mild Italian sausage with the casings on before turning the burner on medium-low heat. By starting in a cold pan and cooking them on low temperature, the casings won't burst. I know, it takes longer, but that's the way to do it to prevent the sausage from bursting. We'll flip them until they're nicely browned, and also cooking the sides as well. They won't be fully cooked, but keep in mind, they'll go in the oven later. We'll remove the links from the heat and transfer them to a cutting board to cool off a little until we can handle them. If there's a little bit of meat that escapes from the ends, it's not a big deal. It's going to the skillet later. We'll return the skillet back on the burner and keep about 2 tablespoons of the fat from the sausages. If there's not enough, add some oil to it. We'll turn up the heat to medium, and when it gets hot, working in batches, we'll place the thighs seasoned side down. We'll season the top with the same ingredients as earlier: salt, pepper, and paprika. We'll cook them until brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. We'll transfer them to a plate while cooking the remaining ones. When they're all done, we'll add sliced onions, sliced red peppers, as well as sliced green peppers. We'll stir until the veggies are mixed and add ground sea salt that will help to soften them faster. We'll saute them for 3 minutes, scraping the bottom of the skillet to dislodge the brown bits. We'll add our pressed garlic and quickly saute it for only 30 seconds before adding hot banana peppers, which is spicier than the traditional pepperdew peppers. It's a delicious alternative if you can find them at your supermarket. Although pepperdew peppers are sold online or any specialty store. After blending them in, we'll pour in dry white wine and also a couple tablespoons of pickle juice from the hot banana pepper jar. We'll stir while deglazing the pan. These 2 ingredients should help to remove all the brown bits at the bottom. When the mixture starts simmering, we'll let it cook for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll stir in Italian seasoning, and to make it from scratch, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Then we'll pour in a little bit of chicken broth, stir to blend, before returning the chicken thighs, including any accumulated juices. This is serious flavor we won't leave behind. And we'll do the same with the links that we cut into 1.5-inch pieces. We'll carefully stir the ingredients so the veggies are not just sitting at the bottom. That's a busy pan, let me tell you. Next, we'll transfer the skillet to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes or until the chicken thighs are fully cooked. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our Chicken Scarpariello. Colorful and so tasty, this Italian-American dish is a great one-pot recipe to make. And by the way, it tastes even better the next day. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!